Set up a profile, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, set up a profile. This is a common phrase you'll encounter in the digital world, especially on social media, websites, and apps. Understanding what it means and how to use it can be really helpful in navigating the online space. So, let's dive in. Set up is a phrasal verb meaning to establish or arrange something. A profile refers to a personal record or a brief biography, usually on a digital platform. So, when we say, set up a profile, we mean creating a personal account or identity on a website, app, or social media platform. This involves entering personal details like your name, photo, interests, and other relevant information. Setting up a profile is crucial in today's digital age. It's your digital identity and often the first thing people see about you online. A well-set-up profile can help in making connections, applying for jobs, and sharing information with others in a secure and controlled manner. 1. Choose a platform. Decide where you want to set up your profile, e.g., LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. 2. Sign up. Fill in the required information like email and password. 3. Personalize your profile. Add a profile picture, cover photo, bio, and other personal details. 4. Adjust privacy settings. Ensure your information is as public or private as you wish. 5. Engage with others. Start connecting, posting, and interacting on the platform. Incomplete profiles. Always complete all the necessary fields to make your profile informative. Inappropriate content. Be mindful of the pictures and language you use. Privacy oversights. Regularly check your privacy settings to protect your information. Setting up a profile is a simple yet essential skill in the online world. By creating a well-crafted profile, you can effectively present yourself in the digital community. We hope this video helps you in confidently setting up your profiles. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.